Hi guys, today we will be discussing about power of compounding. Power of compounding is the easiest way to become rich. Maybe not quickly, but it is the easiest way to achieve our goals. So, this is the data. If we are doing SIP of 1000 rupees per month and then we are able to earn 30% return on that, then we will be having 6 lakh rupees out after 10 years. So if let's say if we increase that amount to 5 times, then we will be having a good amount of uh, 33 lakh at the end. Then let's say we increase this 10 years to 20 years, and then we start the same amount with same percentage. Yeah, I know 30% is quite huge for uh, getting consistently, but still it's fine. Let's assume this as 30% for now. We will be discussing it how we can achieve this goal at later point of time. So there are ways to achieve that, but let firstly focus on the other things. So if we are doing the same thing for 20 years, then we will be having this much capital. It is around 4 crore. This much. We are not talking about how much it will be after 20 years. It may not be that much enough to uh, spend life with, or maybe not enough to uh, get things done easily or quickly with that amount. But the point is, we will be having this much amount. If we are not saving this much amount, then how can you expect that you will be having this much amount at the end? So let's come to the some realistic example as well. If you are not able to earn 30%, then it you can achieve 20% as well. There are some ways. If 30% is not achievable, then 20% is. So if the same thing happens and it goes for 20 years, then you will be having around 130k, and 135k is like it's only on 120k of investment. If you have put it into a bank and it was idle for 20 years, it wouldn't have grown much. Maybe some bank interest will be there, but it won't be much to achieve this much amount. It's quite huge. It has multiplied around 10 to 20 times, and that's more than enough.